I just stubbed my toe. Ouch. Boom! Hi guys, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here with you guys today. Today is my second bag that I have received from Nadine West. For those of you who don't know, my first bag was not very successful. I didn't really like anything that I got sent in the bag. I ended up keeping a little bracelet, but that was it. So I went on her website and I left feedback, told her what I liked, what I didn't like. So let's see if she redeems herself a little bit with this bag. Let's hope, okay? Also, I will include a link above right here. If you see a little eye, I'll try to link that first Nadine West unboxing right up here, and you guys can just click on that if you want to watch it. But for those of you who don't know what Nadine West is, let me quickly describe what it is. It is a clothing service. You go to their website, you'll fill out a personal questionnaire. They will ask you questions about what you like, what you don't like. For $9.78, your personal stylist will put together 4 to 6 looks and send them to you in the mail. You have, I believe, 3 to 5 days to try them on in the comfort of your own home. You only pay for what you keep. You send back the rest. It's free. And when you open your bag, you will send any returns back in this bag. So make sure you're careful when you're opening this package. I will include a link down below if you have never tried Nadine West and you would like to try it. If you click on the link I provide down below, it's a referral link. You will get free shipping your first time and a $10 credit. And I'll get a $10 credit, so it'll be a win-win for both of us. Okay, so with all that said, let's get into unbagging, unboxing, and see what we got. Oh, and before I do that, I have a mix and match box coming up, and I also have my first thread up box coming up. So if you want to stay tuned for those, please click the subscribe button down below, and also hit the little bell button so you will be notified the second I upload those videos. Okay, let's get straight into unbagging and see what she sent me. Oh. All right. I'm going to cut this carefully. Alrighty, let me get rid of that so I don't end up stabbing myself, because I don't want to do that. Alright, here is, looks like one bundle, little burrito. And here's the return label. Now, like I said, anything you don't like, you put back in this bag and you'll just slap that label on and off to the mailman. All right, let me get rid of this. And the packing slip with all the information and everything is right here on the return label on the flip side of it. So it tells the prices and everything that's in here. Okay, it looks like I got 4 items. All right, let's see what we got. All right, here looks like something. Oh, okay. Here's the first item. It's a little piece of jewelry. I'll do this one first since it's jewelry. This is called a bracelet, forever linked antique silver gold for $17.99. Okay, let's open this and see what this looks like. Oh, pretty cute. As you can see, it has, if that's picking up, it's silver and then two-toned with like a gold color right there. And it just stretches. I love bracelets. $17.99, I don't know, maybe. We'll see what else is in this bag. I'm not in love with it, but it's cute. And the first item out here is a shirt, it looks like. Oh, I might like this one. Oh, guys. Oh, okay, this is like, I don't know what exactly color this is. Okay, it just says it's a tan color. Do you see the little buttons it has right here? And it kind of comes up in like side slits right here. It's just a nice short sleeve shirt. Oh, it looks really cute. Okay, she might have redeemed herself. Unless this looks really not nice on, it looks really cute on the hanger. This is from Xenia Premium in a size small, and this is $24.49. And let me see what the material is. 55% polyester, 40% rayon, and 5% spandex. Oh, it's so soft too. It's real buttery soft. Oh, okay. Nice basic t-shirt, but with a little bit of button detail and bling bling in the front. That's cute. Okay, I am excited for that one. Okay, so far so good. Okay, this looks like a skirt. Now see, on my last package, when I went back to her, and I told her I don't like leggings. I'm one of the few people, I only wear leggings around the house, maybe during the winter under my pajamas or something. I don't wear them, so I would prefer not to receive them. So I made that clear to her, and so unless that's leggings, it doesn't look like it is, though. It looks like it's going to be a shirt, but this is a cute little skirt, so I would prefer to receive a skirt than leggings, because I would wear a skirt like this, especially I'm a very casual kind of person, and I will pop on a skirt like this. I think she did pretty good. Yeah, I hope it looks as nice on as it does on this hanger. It's got little pockets right here. It's got like a drawstring. It actually works, and you can tighten it up. It looks like it has a rounded hem, and it comes up on the side, if that's showing a little bit. Can you see that, how it comes up on the side? And let's see, this is 55 polyester, 40 rayon, 5% spandex, and it's still that lovely soft feel. Yeah, and it's nice and basic in the back. Okay, well, if these don't look good, at least she's sending me some nice stuff that I'm really liking. Oh, and this was Dolly in the mocha color for $20.49. And this does look like a shirt, so. Oh, this looks like a little dress. And it's in a beautiful red color. Oh, I already have a dress like this, so yeah, I can already tell you I'm probably gonna like it, but it might be a little bit short, but we'll try it on. I'm not 100% sure, but just a nice basic swing dress with a nice mock turtleneck here. I have very similar dresses to this. I have like 3 or 4, so that shows that I like the style. So I don't know, unless it's really unique and different than what I already have, I'm not probably going to end up keeping this, but it's really cute, and I'll definitely try it on, and maybe one of you guys will like it. This is from Popular 21, and this is the Halo in red for $24.99. And here's the back. You can see, just nice little swing dress. Now, I like it. As long as it comes right above my knee, I'll be okay. But if it's shorter than that, I will not be happy. But, yeah, it looks like it has a good possibility. Okay, guys, so that's all I received in this one. So let's get straight into the try-on. Be right back. Okay, guys, I am back with the first top. This was the Mallory top for $24.49. This is the one that had the cute little button detail going up the front. and how it slides up has like a slit going up the front on both sides. This is really cute. The only thing I can say bad about it is this is in a size small and it fits me well overall, but in the arms it's too tight and it bugs me a little bit. But if I look back at this footage and I really like this, which I think I do like it because it's very unique, right? I'll just see if I can exchange for a larger size. But yeah, this is pretty cute. I'm not mad about this at all. And for those of you who do like leggings, look how long it is. I mean, you could easily wear this with leggings. I just have it paired with a pair of skinny jeans, but oh yeah, this would be great for leggings too. I could see me layering this in the winter, put a cardigan on over this. So, yeah, I kind of like it. So I'll have to look back at the footage like I said and see what I think. And if I do decide to keep it, I'm probably gonna size up. Okay, let's get on to the skirt. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back now with the skirt. This one was the Dolly skirt for $20.49. Yeah, nice, cute, comfortable. I just grabbed this little off-white shell that I had and put a camisole underneath. I think it looks pretty cute. Nice, comfortable pockets. I could see putting a tank top with this and some flip-flops. But here's the side. As you can see, it comes up on the side. Nice and comfortable. Here's the back. Yeah, and this is, I could easily see me wearing this quite often. I would get a lot of wear for my money out of this. Yeah. Yeah, what do you guys think? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. This is the last item of the day. This was the halo dress in red for $24.99. Yes, I like the overall design of it. I have several dresses just like this already. It's very soft, it's comfortable as can be. It feels like pajamas almost. I mean, I really thought, but it's $24.99. I'm not going to keep it for pajamas. The thing I don't like about it is just too short for me. I'll back up. This is a little bit out of my comfort zone. I think I'm 51, so yeah, that's not going to happen. But if you were in your 20s, your teens, your 20s, yeah, I could see somebody like that wearing this dress every day. Yeah, it's cute. Overall, it's cute. I love it. I mean, just like I said, I already have dresses like this, but they're you know, they come down to like that, so that's perfect for me. That's more my comfort. Now, you could also use this maybe as a beach cover-up, but for $24.99, I already have all that, so I'm not going to do that either. So it's really a cute dress, but just too short for me. So I just need a little bit longer. But overall, I feel like Nadine West has improved. I could see, you know, this is more my style. Last time it was just whoa, way, it was all over the place. But I like this. Okay, guys, I will be right back. I will get back into my clothes and we'll do a wrap-up. Be right back. Okay guys, I am back to give you my final thoughts and to wrap this Nadine West unbagging unboxing video up. I would like to say I feel she redeemed herself from the first time. The first time I did not like anything really, and I'm happy that I stuck with it. Other people left comments, say give her a shot, make sure you leave good feedback, and she will improve, and I feel she did. Like I said, I told her I didn't want leggings. She didn't send me leggings. She sent me skirts and shirts and stuff that I would definitely get a lot of wear out of. Now this shirt, I'll go through each item and tell you what I'm keeping and what I'm sending back. I'm sending back this shirt only because it's too small. And what I'm going to do when I leave my feedback, I'm going to ask her to send me back this shirt again next month because I'll get another box. And I'm just going to ask her to size up to a medium. And I would also be open to another color if she has another color. But I don't mind this color. It's a nice fall color actually. So, you know, that's coming around the bend bite my tongue, but it is one day, and I feel like that would be really, you know, like I said, with a cardigan. So yeah, whatever. If she sends me another color, I'll be happy. If she keeps me in this color, I'll be happy too. This skirt I'm keeping. I love this skirt. This skirt was $20.49. After I take off my $9.78, I'm only paying $10.71 for this skirt. So I'm really happy with this. I will get a lot of wear out of that for $10 all day. Definitely like that. This dress, I like this dress too, but like I said in the video, it's just too short for my comfort zone. That's all. Just too short. Overall, it's a cute design. I like it. And the fourth item was just this little bracelet. It's cute, but got a lot of bracelets. But yeah, overall, 2 thumbs up. I think she's doing better. She's listening to me, and I'm happy I'm sticking with it, and I can't wait to get my bag next month. And if you guys are liking these videos, please click the like and subscribe button down below. Like I said, I have a mix and match box coming up. It'll be released in a day or 2, so hit the little bell and you'll be notified the second I upload it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate everybody who watches and leave comments, and I listen to you guys. And thank you so much. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.